Hello and welcome to this new video on how to set up Airbnb. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is open the Airbnb website, and when you are inside the Airbnb website, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be switch to hosting button. So you just have to click on switch to hosting, and host dashboard will appear right in front of you. And this is the dashboard that a host use to set up themselves on Airbnb. And when you're inside this dashboard, you just have to look on the top navigation bar, and in the middle there will be listing. You just have to click on the listings, and listing section will be appear right in front of you. And this is the section where you will be able to see the listing that you have previously done and listing that you can add. So you just have to look on the right hand side. There will be a plus sign. You just have to click on it, and another page will be open right in front of you, and you just have to scroll down a little bit, and you just need to select create a new listing and follow through the processes of Airbnb, and you will be able to set up Airbnb and earn money through it. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.